I'm a real people person, so I love interacting. I love being around people. I love associating with people. That's just kind of my thing. They gravitate to me and I gravitate right back to people.
I learned what it means to be responsible, to have a good work ethic, and to find the good in every situation, whether or not it may seem to be there.
My previous job has taught me how to be able to work in a fast-paced environment, learn more quickly, learn leadership skills, and just a lot to work in a teamwork setting.
And this is something that I didn't see coming, but my boss was like, wow, you talk to people all the time and you're so good at it. And we want for you to continue to engage the community with our brand.
I'm a third generation entrepreneur. I started my first business at the age of 12, and ever since then, I knew I'd always be an entrepreneur.
I just love people. I love talking to people. I'm usually very passionate. Whatever I'm talking about, I'm usually passionate, and I show that passion when I'm talking.
So I am not afraid of criticism, and I'm not afraid of hard work. And I think both of those are very important in any given field. And what I am looking for right now from any position is valuable experience that will make me a better designer.